Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Happy Friday. Back with another Outer Banks episode. A couple days after the snowstorm, finally was able to get out here. Headed on to work. Had a few minutes to stop, check out the remnants of the snow. Obviously the sun has been melting it away, and we are in Kill Devil Hills on the west side today. Bumped right up next to the sound, so we're going to go check that out. Hope everybody's having a great day so far. Excited to be back. Stuck at home for 2 days, buried in snow, and I've been doing these walking videos a lot recently because you guys say you like it, so I always try to go off you guys' feedback, give you the best I can give. This is actually some neighborhoods, some stomping grounds of my own. I was all up and down these parts when I was a teenager. A lot of my friends lived back here. Great place to grow up. I do know this is private property. We're going to go check it out. I'm only going to be here for a minute. Check out the sound side. Continue my travels to work. See, the water's still moving, so looks like the first little part of it's froze up, but yeah, nice and calm today. We are on Bay Drive in Kill Devil Hills. Just want to show you guys around for a second. I'm going to come do a longer walk through when it warms up, because they have this awesome bike path here that I was just walking on, currently walking on now. And stretches for miles. So we'll be back in the spring. We'll do a full tour of the KDH west side. KDH, Kill Devil Hills, in case you didn't know the abbreviation there. I hope everybody has an excellent day and have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the next one.